welcome to the Fantas Family channel. My name is Lorie, and in today's video, guys, we are going to interview one of my beautiful single friend. Okay, she's Filipina. Okay, her name is.
Hi, my name is Jean Marie Laguna, but just call me Jean.
Yes, she's Jean. She is single. Where are you single, Jean?
Well, well, that is I don't think it's really a hard question, but a lot of people are asking me about that one. I guess I am single because I still don't want to be in a relationship, I guess.
Mm.
And I don't really think much about it. Maybe that's why I'm single. Like even though someone is, trying to pursue me, is that correct? Or like trying to ask me to
Yeah.
go out and so on. Like I I don't have any idea, or I don't think of going out with them. Like I guess that's why, because I'm single, because I don't think of being in a relationship. Like I want being single. It's like that. You are free to do a lot of things, I guess, and you don't have to ask anyone's permission, I guess. Like I guess that's one of the reasons. Another thing is that I focus on myself. Work, of course. I need money, so I have to earn money. I guess I'm more focused on that one. Yeah.
Career.
Yes.
Your career.
It's career. I have a lot of plans, so I wanted to focus on that one. I get distracted easily. So what if I have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, let's say, we don't know. So what if I am in a relationship? I might forget about what my plans are, what I am really looking forward to, or what my goal really is. So I guess for now, it's good. It's actually good that you wanted to focus on yourself so that you can get what you want, and at
Mhm.
least if a relationship will come to you, you are complete. Like
Yes.
you already gain what you want to gain, or you already reached what you wanted to reach. So yeah.
You're ready for like problems in case, right? In the future.
Yeah, I guess problems, or maybe I'll be more open-minded, or I'll be more mature, and then I will get to understand situations, or even when you are in a relationship, like based on other people's experiences. So maybe, yeah, maybe you'll be ready to commit to solve problems, or you'll just be ready in general.
Okay. So technically right now you are really not looking for love, right?
Yeah. Well, I will not say love. I mean, we all want love. But I mean, I'm not really looking for a relationship. I'm not,
Relationship.
yeah, I'm not looking for someone to be with as of now. Yeah, I'm
Mm,
looking for love, but maybe love for myself.
love for yourself. What if, for example, you are not planning on being in any relationship and then one day you met someone that you felt like you're ready? Like, are you going to, you know, are you going to, how do you say that, like, be in a relationship even though you prioritize your career at the moment?
Yeah, I'm open for that.
Mm.
Although I don't have any plans, but we don't know what the future holds. So whatever happens in the future, if it's good, if I feel like have to consider it, why not? So yeah, I'm still open. I'm not really or I haven't really closed my doors on that one. So if ever someone comes, I'm gonna say something. So
What is
ano,
that thing?
aswang. Yeah, I mean,
As long as which?
I mean, like if someone comes, then and I like that person, why not?
Yeah, go for it, right? Okay.
Yeah,
In case that person comes and you found yourself like, oh, wow, I like him. Okay, what type of man are you looking for, or you'll be interested like that?
I don't really have a
Oh.
specific type.
Mhm.
Yes, to be honest, I have recognized from all, or from those people that I used to like. I don't really have a specific thing that I
Mhm.
like about them. But Smile. Smile.
Mm.
Someone who has a very beautiful, calming, relaxing smile, they get my attention very
Mm.
quickly. Yes.
Wow.
Like yeah, no matter what you look like, if you have a great smile, you're really gonna get my attention on that one. But um well, I mean everyone likes someone who is kind, like of course, who has great personalities.
True.
So I'm into that. I'm into that. But yeah, specific type, I don't really have any.
Okay. So you heard it, guys. So after you watch this video or pause it and then go get a mirror or something and then check your smile. Who knows? You know?
I think everyone has a great smile, but of course, I want someone that will be a genuine smile, like someone
Mm.
who really has like it's not just gonna be me who will get that person's attention, right? Everyone will,
Everyone's attention.
yes, everyone will be interested to that person.
That person sounds to be like, or I'm imagining someone like a goddess is smiling at you like that. But anyway, are you open to dating foreigners like in the future?
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah. If ever someone comes, I am open for that one. Like what I've said, I don't really have a specific type. So even though you are Filipino or you're Asian or European or American, I'm good with that. Of course, as long as you have great personalities, great smile, I'm good. I'm good with that. It
Okay.
just depends on your personality. I don't really care
Yeah.
about where you come from. And
What race are you?
yeah, I don't really care about that one.
Okay. So next question, would you relocate, okay, to another country to be with your partner or your husband, okay? Or would you rather stay here in the Philippines?
That is a hard question. Well,
Mm.
I think this will be well, there's a term for that one. It will be a deal breaker. It will be a deal
Mm.
breaker. Yes, of course. I still wanted to stay somewhere that I like. It may be, for example, the person is from Europe, let's say,
Mm.
around Europe, and I am from Philippines. Like,
Mhm.
what if I want to settle in Thailand,
Yeah.
right? Like, I am very, or there are times that I am indecisive, so we don't know exactly. But if I decided for something like that, of course, I wanted to settle somewhere that I want.
Yeah.
I am willing to visit or to go to that country, wherever that person is, or whoever I will be with, right? I am willing to go there, but I am not exactly willing to settle. Like, not unless if I really like the place. Probably, yes, there's a
Mhm.
possibility, but I still wanted to settle somewhere that I like.
Yeah. Okay. Um I remember, okay, I interviewed one of my friend as well. Her name is Riza. And I asked this, what's your job again? I want I want you to share it to everyone as well.
Yes. I am not sure if you are familiar with this, but whenever I talked about it to others, especially for to others, let's just say, they don't know it. So I am a virtual assistant.
Mhm.
So I haven't been a virtual assistant for a long time. I just resigned. I
Mhm.
used to be also an online English teacher. I used to be an online English teacher for 3 years. Then just around February, I decided to change career. So now I am a virtual assistant, almost a year. So I have different jobs. So as a virtual assistant, your job will depend on what your client wants you to work on, and of course your skills. It depends
Mhm.
on your capacity,
Yeah.
like that. So it's totally random. Social media manager, admin assistant, customer service specialist. I do that. Researcher or data entry. Like I do that. So if you wanted to, joke, just kidding.
Now he's just trying to. Okay, but who's ever interested? I think you have a Fiverr account, right?
Yeah, I do have a Fiverr account. I am starting a new career, by the way. I am starting to be an empath listener, if you have heard of that one. So if you wanted someone to just listen to you, even though you don't want any advice, I can be that one. Yeah, like, but I don't want to promote my job here, so we
It's
can
fine. So
change
people
that.
could contact you, like they could like look for you like that. Like who knows, someone out there is interested in, oh, I needed like what do you call, like a virtual assistance for my, for my company or something, right?
Yeah, sure. Sure, sure. That would be great if ever you wanted to. So, if ever, you can just maybe put on somewhere they can see. I have
Yeah.
a Fiverr account, so I offer two types of gigs there. I am new on Fiverr, by the way, so I use Upwork if you have heard of that one. But on Fiverr, I also offer two empath listener and a virtual assistant. So
Mhm.
you can find me there. My name is Jean Marie Laguna. You can just look for it and then message me for, or if you want me to help you.
Yes, she's really good, guys. Really, really good. That's, I think that's the reason why you don't have time for love, right? Because she's very hardworking, guys. I've been asking her to visit us, stay with us for like at least 2 days, 3 days, or 1 week, if if she could, but she can't because she's very busy, right?
Unfortunately, yes.
She's very busy. She's a very hardworking. That's why whoever your partner would be in the future, he's going to be very lucky, to have you as his partner.
Yeah. Duda no, duda sa sarili. Yeah,
Yes.
I mean, he or she will be lucky and I will also be lucky.
Uh, what makes you a good future wife?
That is also hard. I'm not yet considering if I'm gonna get married or not. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, but yeah, it's the future, so we don't really know what's gonna happen. Anyway, if I like, I don't really know, but maybe I am a good wife because this is hard. I have never been a wife before, so yeah, this is hard. Um, I guess I am very, or like, I will always communicate with you. I love talking.
Yeah.
Yes, as much as possible. I always wanted to understand the person. Although I have, like, I don't really have a very long patience, but I can manage. I think I can manage. Another thing that is a good thing about me, I love doing a lot of things. So I can cook. I'm not that great, but I can. Yeah.
Wow.
Another thing is that I do not really enjoy cleaning, but I do know how to clean. Yeah. Like, I'm just gonna say things that I can do, but I'm not really good at. So yeah, cleaning, cooking, but yeah, that's not really the definition of a wife. But anyway, I'll still share it. So I can do a lot of things. See?
Mm-hmm. Okay. For the next question, would you date uh older men, older than you?
Let's see. If it is, let's say, 5 years older than me, I'm good with that. Probably 10 years older than me, I'm also good with that. But 20 years
Mm-hmm.
older than me or more than that, I guess, not really. I don't mean that they are bad. Like,
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to be with someone who can actually enjoy the stuff that I like. I'm quite
Oh.
adventurous, so I wanted someone who can be with me if I wanted to do that. Definitely, because of course, I have to be considerate. So what if I am dating someone older than me
Mm-hmm.
that uh, he cannot do a lot of things anymore because his health is not in good condition.
Mm-hmm.
He gets tired easily. So I have to be considerate towards that person. But of course, I will not be happy like that one.
Mm-hmm.
Although I know maybe the person likes to do it as well. But of course, this person has to think of himself as well. So we have no choice. We have to do what's the good thing or the right thing.
Mm-hmm.
But then again, that's why someone who's still very energetic, someone who can actually be with me, be with or who can work with my vibes like that one. I think that will work.
Mm. Okay, and for those who are wondering how old Jean is, because she looks like 16. Before we start this interview, I was telling her, I was like, "Oh wow, you look very young. You look 16, but she is
I am actually 25. Oh, 16
25."
is too
Yes.
much.
No, she does. She has a baby face.
And a height of a kid as well.
Yes. What's your height?
Never mind.
No, she's smaller than me. I am 4'11", I guess. Yeah. My husband was saying that I'm 4'10". I'm 4'11". Okay. So let's say you are like 4'9", right?
Yeah, 4'9" or probably 4'10". I'm not really sure.
4'10". I'm a little taller than you, I believe.
Yeah, yeah, you are. You
Mm,
are.
so you're like 4'9" or 4'8" something.
It gets it gets it gets shorter and shorter.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Let's just accept that. Okay.
I remember earlier, um, because what do you call these? I bought a dress. Actually, this one, the one that I'm wearing right now, and I couldn't find something that could fit me perfectly because I'm small. So you know what I did? I went to kid section, and this is what I got. It perfectly fit on me, guys. This is from kids section. So, do you also shop inside the kids section when you buy stuff like clothes like that?
Unfortunately, not. Although I am shorter than her, but my body build is not. So she's smaller than me. So unfortunately, I have to look or I have to go to the adult section, yeah, right? That
Mm,
one. So I have to look for something that will fit me. So
no.
fortunately there is.
No, you don't. You're not big.
I'm just saying that I have a different build. I didn't say
Oh.
I'm big.
No, because I'm sorry, but it's because you sound like, for me, you sound like you're saying that you're a little fluffy, something like that, but you're not.
Well, I'm bigger than you. So let's just say
No.
that one. Although I'm not
Okay.
really that big, like super big. But
Yeah.
yes, kids section, the
Yeah.
clothes there do
Me,
not fit
mine.
me. So
Not always, sometimes, like, for example, the length, like that. The problem. Like, for example, I want to buy a dress, like, what do you call these? Um, Above the knee, right?
yeah, about the knee
Above the knee.
size.
That's where, I mean, kids section is where I could find it like that. Because if I'll go to like olders, like like our age, they're gonna be like longer than me. I will look like a dwarf. That's my problem. I don't want to look like a dwarf. Mm?
I see. Well, I am very like what I've said, adventurous. So I actually try different kinds of clothes.
Yes.
So I also try very long dresses. But I think it's not really about like you will look like taller or shorter. Yeah, like for me, as long as you can just wear it and then feel it, it will look good on you. Yeah,
Aww.
that's my idea.
Okay, I like that. Okay, for the last question, if there's one thing you want to change about yourself, what would it be?
I guess my like there's one thing, probably not physical. I guess it will
Mhm.
be a personality. Like what I've said, I have uh not so long patience. I get easily mad, or let's say since I do not have a long patience, I do not try to uh get to know a person first. Like I not judge them exactly, but once I do not like them, I do not like them like that one. I don't give them a chance. So I guess that is what I wanted to change about myself. I don't do that all the time actually. Yeah, I don't. But I think if I will change that, maybe I will become a better person.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Don't worry, it doesn't sound like you're mean.
I hope so.
Okay, I have another question. I'm sorry. How do you see yourself in 10 years?
Traveling
Traveling.
to
Wow.
a lot of places. I am very much thinking of it's unfortunately just thinking because I do not have a lot of money, but yeah, I want to. I guess maybe after 10 years, I hope that I am already traveling. I am traveling to a lot of places. One of them
Countries.
will be Hungary, like one of the places that I wanted to go to.
Mhm.
Other than that, of course, some places that are quite famous for a lot of people: New York,
Oh.
Japan,
Mhm.
Korea, of course,
Korea, of course.
Thailand. Yeah, I guess maybe if I can travel all places here on Earth, I would.
Wow, yes, you're right. We have a very short time, right? Enjoy, have fun.
I do agree to that one. Like we
Mhm.
only have one life. Maybe not all people would agree with that, but it's my opinion. So,
Yes.
as long as we are not really doing bad things to others, we are not hurting others, we're good to go. I mean, we're gonna be fine.
Yeah, I see. Well, thank you. Thank you so much, Jean, for having this interview with us. This is our second interview today. It's actually, what time is it? It's actually past 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, past 2. Okay, and past 2 a.m., not 2 p.m. It's 2 a.m., guys. One of our friends is already laying with our baby at the moment. She's tired. She's sleepy. But thank you so much, Jin, for having this interview with me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this video, right?
Of course, I really hope you did. I
Yeah,
hope you finish this.
I know. And see you again next time.
I got it, the note you gave me